My name is Ronald Carter. I work for C.W. Matthews Contracting Company. I've been with them for 50 years. We over here on the I-20, I-285 interchange. It's going to be another, like a spaghetti junction over here. We have some real big columns, real big footings, real big caps to go along with everything. I'm the operator of the 248 200-ton crane. This crane's got 360 hours. Some of these columns are probably 60, 70 feet tall, and it's going to be a real big interchange over here. We got some big cranes out here. It makes it a whole lot easier for all the stuff that we're doing. I've been running link belt cranes probably 35 years maybe. A whole lot easier running them nowadays. No problems on all these new cranes we got here. They're big enough to do the job. A lot of times you move in on a job, sometimes the crane's not big enough for what you need, but what we got out here, they just about handle everything we're gonna do. These new cranes, they got the computer and all set up. You know exactly what you got, how far you can go out with it, and everything like that. It's a whole lot safer. Good deal, I think. The reason I'd recommend this machine is because, like I say, they're easy to run, they're comfortable to sit in, and it makes your job a whole lot easier. I really like the link belts because they are smooth in my book. They got a good, comfortable cab and all. I really enjoy how the cab is set up on the inside with the levers. They all within your reach and they're comfortable to run. You're gonna be in there all day long, swinging things back and forth, set beams and stuff, all like that. But I really enjoy running the link belts. You moving forms, you set columns, caps, and just moving material around all the time. They're easy to put together too. When we're working at night, we have plenty of lights. We got light plants we bring in, turn on. And out here on this section we're in right now, it's got all these big lights all the way around here, so it lights up the place too. On the crane, they got cameras you can see around the crane, front and back. You watch your cables. That's a big deal for me. Make sure everything's in place. Here, these crawlers, they walk good. You can move them around real easy. Hey, we can move these cranes easy. We pick something up, walk with it. If you need to move it to another location, they work out real good. I would highly recommend link belts to anybody that wants to operate a crane. I'd recommend another 248. The bigger the crane, less problems you got when you get in these heavy concrete beams. We're gonna have a lot of them out here. These link belt cranes, they made dependable. They can do just about anything you want to do with them. For lifting heavy stuff, or light stuff, it don't matter. Like I said, I've been with C.W. Matthews for 50 years and I've seen a lot of changes in all these cranes and all through the years. And I sure am glad C.W. Matthews went with link belt. Everything works good. Like I say, these link belts, they smooth and I enjoy running them. I don't think I'd been here this long if I didn't.